Welcome back to the Visual SEO Studio tutorials. In this video, I will show you the usage of the tabular view. The tabular view shows your website exploration data in a grid, Excel-like. By clicking on column headers, you can sort data based on their type. You can also change columns order as you please. There is more. You can show more columns, or hide those you don't need at the moment. You can always restore the initial view state. Just select the menu entry tools, preferences, and click on the grid customizations option. Then, use the Restore Default button. Don't forget, every single column is thoroughly explained in the online help. Clicking on the table rows, you will select the related web page, and you can see its details shown in the right and bottom panels. By clicking on the mouse right button, a context menu will appear, with options specific to the selected resource. You can export the data you see to Excel or CSV formats, to further process them in the spreadsheet of your choice. In other tutorials, you will see how the tabular view can be used to show only a subset of the website pages, the result of a report or a custom filter. In certain cases, it could be useful to export in XML sitemap format, to obtain a filtered sitemap. Well, that's all for now. Be sure to check out our other tutorials, and thanks for watching.